flash and soldier the gangs, but that definitely wasn't no self-defense in that situation in Brooklyn with the father and the son and that crazy ass neighbor. They're always complaining about noise and this and that. I feel like if I'm the DA or the prosecutors, they're gonna chew him up. They're gonna chew him up in their courtroom. Because I feel like if I'm the victim's lawyer, whoever gonna, you know, represent them, maybe the girl, I don't know. Yeah, the girl, buddy girlfriend, buddy wife. Yeah, she's sitting right there. She gonna explain everything. I'm gonna make it seem like you've been plotting to knock the people down. Now I ain't gonna say the son and the daddy, but at least the daddy or whoever, at least one person you've been planning on doing this to them. So could you be charged with capital murder? You understand? Because I feel like you planned it. You knew, you saying they've been making noise for months. Now, do you got any complaints with the front office? Can you prove that? Bring it up here. Hey, Sheriff, get that paper right there. Bring it up here. Got any proof that you complain they making noise? Yeah, did the front desk office come to their door saying, yeah, your neighbor upstairs or downstairs said y'all making too much noise? Ain't none of that? Right. Did you ever call the police? Did you ever call the police? Or you do that? Right. So, you mean to tell me whoever in your household, or if you by yourself, you wasn't pacing back and forth, saying what you gonna do? You've been building this anger up for months. And we felt like you told yourself, like, next time they stepping on the floor, I can hear the whole argument through the walls, they're making too much noise. I'm gonna walk upstairs and handle business. You was already clutching on your fire when you walked upstairs. Now, it could have been a self-defense situation, but if I'm the prosecutors or the lawyer that's going against you, I'm gonna put you on stand and say, if you know they only arguing about whatever they got going on, and it didn't have nothing to do with you, and all you doing is going to tell them, can you please lower it down or take it outside or whatever, because I'm trying to sleep or I gotta go to work or whatever. Why would you have to bring your gun? If you the neighbor, they see you all the time, you've been complaining, why would you need your gun when they never threaten you? Now, ain't no telling what you were saying to Buddy. Buddy probably couldn't see in the wintertime. It's always hard to tell, depending on what type of guy. But it's always harder to tell who got that foul in the wintertime. But if you're street smart, you can kind of pick up on the nigga tone. You understand? Nigga got too much bass in his voice. He ain't really talking about getting down. He just cussing everybody out. Nigga may got a foul. But then again, you never know. And ain't no telling if you told the father he was gonna beat his ass first. And that's why he grabbed the fork or the scissors, whatever he had. But the father was that female. Had not that female grabbed him, the father would have stayed on Buddy, on dude. He wouldn't have turned his back, get pulled back, giving Buddy time and space to pull out, draw out. It's already caught at 5. You see what I'm saying? He would stay in his grill. That way, if Buddy gonna reach, he can grab his hand, he can goddamn grab him, tussle him. You know, he looked like he was bigger than him, so yeah. Then you got your son right here, he gonna jump in. That way, if you reach for that 5, because it's a full size weapon. There ain't no small, compact pocket rocket, full size. Glock 22. I ain't saying it's that gun, but yeah, full size like that. Yeah, if you up on him with that with them scissors on his neck or that knife, whatever, then you can't just reach. You grab his hand, you grab his body. Then you got your son right there. He gonna jump in like he did, which it wasn't smart. Yeah, like if I'm with my daddy and I see a nigga just gun him down, why would I rush him without a 5? I'm rushing him for it. Like, nah, I can't guard like that. Cause I don't think I can't say he would have popped him and he rushed him. He popped the son because he rushed him. But ain't no telling what the man was saying to the father that made him pull the knife out. But he didn't have no business going up there bothering them, and it's not even their argument. I mean, his argument. Why you ain't called the police? Why you ain't called the front desk? The front desk supposed to go up there and handle that mess. Why did you? The first thing you thought. That's why if I'm the prosecutor, you going to prison. You'll do like 30, 40. I get a 30 out of you. Yeah, I get a 30 out of you because when you left that house, you put that gun in your pocket with the intent to kill. It wasn't to settle nothing out or just speak your piece. You came up there to argue and fight with them and join in on the argument. You didn't come there to be a peacemaker. You didn't ever call nobody in. Yeah, you could have came up there with the front desk. So, man, you wanted to do that shit to them boys, man. That's why you done them like that. Stood over, shot him in his back. I mean, with his back turned. Gave his son 2-3 to the chest. Yeah, like fuck you. That's exactly how you done it. Like, yeah, you was good with that thing. You got some bodies before that. You might got a couple bodies back in the game. You one of them niggas back in the 70s and the 80s. Yeah, you done something. You should have. You left that. Yeah, y'all left that nigga in that car that time. You remember when you was with Ray Ray and them? Y'all robbed the joint. Y'all caught up with Buddy at the goddamn light. That was you. He was with him. You was too goddamn sturdy with that. And you was cold blooded with your shit, man. Yeah, we trying to get you with a little capital or premeditated joint. Yeah, put it in there or something real sturdy. Yeah, nigga like you got too many angles. You don't need no gun permit. You don't need no weapons. You too crazy. Now, if you in the streets, street nigga, that's different. You regular person, so you can't be just killing people like that. You understand? Like the top demons, the top craziest niggas alive, they don't do stuff like that. They don't. Mother making too much noise. I ain't gonna say they'll call the front desk. They may make their girl do it, but they ain't gonna just come up there with the intent to kill. It only be people that work 9 to 5, a truck driver, construction worker, mother like you. Old, going through a whole bunch of shit. Nigga, step your game up. Get you a house. You ain't gotta hear no noise. Nigga, you live in the projects or low income or middle class. Yeah, you gonna hear noise. Well, keep spending some more money then. You wanna live in apartments? Nigga, get the one, move into the apartments with a wall sticker. Yeah, your wall thin. Don't you want the rent to be $1,500, $1,800, or $2,000? You don't want to pay no $4,000. You pay $4,000 a wall sticker. Nigga, you only can afford $1,700, $1,600. Nigga, you all thin. Now you come down south, you pay $1,700. You get something decent, good. Up there, yeah, you gonna hear a lot of noise, a lot of arguing. You got a problem, man. Shit, America down, we're arguing. Oh, we're arguing, man. You went up there and made the situation worse. You didn't have to go up there. You didn't have to go up there. The police can make them be quiet. The rent office people, they can make them be quiet. You ain't never left no note there. Another thing, you ain't never left no note on their door saying they too loud. You ain't never. They said they ain't been loud. They said they ain't been loud. And why is you the only one that's saying something? Yeah, the next door neighbor should say, yeah, they always loud. Yeah, so the trial, yeah, they gonna come up there. Yeah, they gonna come up there, Miss Shirley. Miss Shirley coming up there, I ain't them. That man and that woman, they ain't loud. I stay right beside, I've been here 20 years. I've been here 20 years. Matter of fact, my husband, he died in 2001. He was the one that helped lay the concrete across the street. It used to be a bakery right there, officer. Yeah, you remember Jones Bakery? Yeah, she ain't heard no noise from them. She ain't heard no noise from them. She stayed right beside her. She gonna be in court? Hell yeah. 2 dead bodies in front of her door. Nah, man. You gonna waste your life on that and we finna go to war? We need you on that field, man. You gotta go against China and Russia and shit like that. Whoever else. You gonna crash out over that. Over somebody being loud. And you gonna do your own race, your own kind? Yeah, you one of them goddamn finesse 2-time niggas that gonna have a Ku Klux Klan chain on. You ain't never stepped on no white man. Yeah, see, one thing about the rednecks, when they get tired of noise, they don't take down another redneck. They gonna pull up, they gonna ride through the low end. Oh, there on their end. Live music, yeah, gun a nigga down at the red light. Yeah, gun a nigga down at the red light, car wash, wherever. Neighborhood. They ain't gonna go to the next door neighbor. Billy! Y'all let that, they ain't gonna do that. Yeah, they gonna take your ass down. And then what you gonna do? Step on the husband and the son. Come on, man. Now, the story could have been a little different. You would have had a little bit more self-defense, a little bit more, if you would have came up there, not grabbing on your gun or whatever, talk to him normal. Hey, can y'all believe this, Lord? And then his daddy would have came out with the scissors or knife or whatever and did that. Then you could have you supposed to pull that right then and there, but he's so close, you don't want the nigga to, you know what I'm saying? When Buddy turned his back, the danger walking away. Why you fire? You got concealed carry. They don't teach all that in the class. They ain't never told you to do that. Man turned his back. Now I can see if he got a gun because he can just turn his back and steal. He got a knife. He backed away. You ain't had to do that. All you had to do was pull your fire in the beginning. He would have never even came up to you with the knife, with the scissors. But then you can't really claim self-defense because now you got the attempt. But shit, you still going to jail. How you did it? You gonna come up, they minding their own business. How come you the only neighbor outside complaining? If they so loud, everybody hear them.
And you know why there ain't no other neighbors out there complaining with you about them? Because everybody made noise in that damn building. They complain about noise, period. There's noise coming from everywhere. Not just there. If it is even there. Shit, the whole building had noise. So shit, they weren't the only ones making noise. If they was the only ones making noise in that whole building, they would have got put out or got warnings or whatever.
You can hear them all the way downstairs and none of the neighbors saying something ain't right. You sure? They can't get loud for a second. They can pay $1,500, $2,000, $1,800, just like you. Nigga. But you got 5 from your job. The wife left. You on the down low? Like, what's going on? You got an STD? Was you broke? Like, what kind of demons you fighting? What kind of demons you fighting? But yeah, you let Buddy have it. You done that though. You don't got no bragging right. I mean, you did like do it so cold-blooded. You did too much. That's why you gotta go to prison. You did too much. You could have gave Buddy a leg shot. Then gave his son a leg shot. Back up. But you know, it happened so quick. It's easy to say, but you gave him straight kill shots. Chest, head, back. Damn. Yeah, man, like nigga be so frustrated. That's one thing about the project buildings. Brooklyn, Yonkers, Queens, Harlem, and the buildings. Man, motherfuckers be frustrated, going through so much shit, can't pay their bills, ain't getting laid, ain't ate good, house stank, ain't took a bath in 5 days. Yeah, man. Tender ain't working good, ain't got no prostituting theft, no escort theft. Yeah, ain't got no, tricking money. Nigga frustrated. Nigga owe him some money, he can't find them. Boss short them on the hours. Don't nobody never come check up on them. Yeah, man. You make a problem in his head. You got that gun though. You gonna make a problem. He ain't gonna get into it with a nigga. One of them steppers and deepers outside. He gonna get into it with his neighbor. It's minding their own business. You thought they was loud. That's the demons in your head talking. That was Satan talking to you. It wasn't them. That was Satan screaming, saying your name, saying go do it. That was Satan, man. Oh, they was loud. That was Satan, man. When you talk to him in your cell, he'll tell you. Oh, he'll tell you. Just talk to him. You did a good job as far as like in his eyes. You know, 2 innocent people chilling. minding their own business. You ain't stepped on no other demons. Yeah, you stepped on some regular people. Daddy was out of pocket putting that scissor under your neck and all that there, but ain't no telling what you were saying. He trying to stand his ground for his house. He probably could have been justified. He probably seen you reaching or whatever. I don't know. You can't hear, ain't no audio. It probably is, but we can't hear it. But there's still some witnesses. Left some witnesses. Understand? It is what it is, man. I'm just chiming in on it. Y'all want me to touch on more like crimes and everyday shootings and stuff like that? I can back off on the rappers and focus on everyday people that go through shit. We do it like that. So let it be known in the comments, man. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell, share the video. Go to the IG, _game_splitter.